first we did chipping. We worked on getting it closer to our front foot, hands forward, okay? Rocking the shoulders, ball come out low, it'll roll longer than it'll be in the air. More of our weight on our front foot, but the ball placed on our back foot. And then while you're practicing, pick out a spot or put a tee down or a coin on the green and try to land the ball next to that tee or coin so you can get a feel of how far it's going to roll out each time. So that'll be a little practice for you, what to do when you're chipping. When you're pitching,
do you always chip with a 9-iron?
You don't have to, no. I chose 9-iron just for the simple fact that it's teaches you to get the ball out a little lower and a roll out farther. If you want to use 8, you just wouldn't bring it back as far. 7 wouldn't bring it back as far. Now if you wanted to use a pitching wedge, that would work too, as long as there's a little hill in front of the green that you want to get it over that hill and then land and roll out. But that's just for 9-iron we just chose just for a lower lofted club. And then pitch shots, we want to work on hinging our wrist, coming down with the steep angle of attack, pinching the ball off the ground. That way when it hits, it'll spin and roll out just a little bit to the hole. You can do the same thing, putting a coin down or a tee, and trying to land it on that spot to help with your accuracy. And if you want to move up closer for distance, you can do that as well, move back. It's a pretty big practice area we have here, so you can basically choose a few different shots for pitching and just work on your distance and your accuracy. And then also if you need any help between now and next week, just let me know and we'll go out and work on it. So next week we'll work on bunker play and we'll work on putting. And then the third lesson we'll work on iron game on the range. And then the fourth lesson we'll finish with woods and hybrids. Anybody got any questions?
You want to do it same time next week?
Same time next week we'll be fine.
Same time.
Everybody have fun today?
Yeah.
Good. Weather was nice. Thank you. Thank you. Hope everybody learned something today.